All children and boys and girls and parents welcome to the cooking show. Today's recipe for soft-shelled cicadas. Oh boy, pay attention. Ingredients: 1 cup Worcestershire sauce, 4 eggs beaten, 3 cups flour, salt and pepper to season, flour, 1 cup corn oil or slightly salted butter, 60 freshly emerged 17 years cicadas. Marinate cicadas alive in a sealed container in Worcestershire sauce several hours. Dip them in beaten egg rolled in the seasoned flour. Add oil to the pan, saute them until they are golden brown. And there you have it. Enjoy with the family. It serves for main dish serving. Tune in next week. We'll make the classic dish freshly killed journalists trying to destroy the free world.